Federal employees, listen up. Trump has just ordered about 1 million federal employees back to the office. If you've been teleworking and need to continue for medical reasons, this message is for you. And let me be clear, not every case is going to qualify for the help I'm about ready to explain. But if you have a legitimate medical need and a provider who wants to help, you need to do this right from the start. Hi, I'm Shaun Southworth, a federal employment attorney with over a decade of experience. My firm, Southworth PC, actually knows how to fight for federal employees in disability cases. It's a focus area of ours. As a mindfulness practitioner, these issues, particularly mental health issues, also very much interest me. We're offering a reasonable accommodation strategy package for a flat fee of $3,000 to help those who truly need telework for medical reasons, because trust me, it's highly likely agencies are going to push back. Now, I've seen some chatter and comments saying the price is too high, although I understand and get many people cannot afford this, which is why we're also posting on TikTok and we're working on a video series. Let me explain exactly what you're getting if we work with you on this package and why in many cases it's worth every dollar. Strategic case setup. We take the time to understand your role, your duties, your condition, how it is to be best explained to justify telework, and your agency's policies. We thoroughly interview in writing over the phone, and we review your position description, policies, medical records, and relevant medical history, and job expectations, how it's actually being performed, etc. Medical provider guidance. We help you work with your doctor to properly frame your request, because if your provider doesn't say the right things, your agency will deny it or offer supposed effective alternative accommodations. This area best requires lawyers to learn some medicine and medical providers to learn some law, and for you to have an aligned medical and legal team to best be set up for success. The agency already has this with occupational health providers and HR professionals, and often lawyers advising in the background. Anticipating challenge. We know the tricks that agencies use to deny telework accommodations. We prepare you with a letter that outlines exactly how they might push back and how to respond, right? And if things get tricky, you can always convert over to our litigation package. A written application support. You get a fully developed, legally sound request that we believe puts you in the best position for approval. I have developed and oversee this process based on years of litigating these cases, reviewing hundreds of cases on my own, and with an eye to setting you up for success. Now, this is not just filling out forms, but sometimes your need for an RA is obvious and you don't need a lawyer. If your need for an RA is obvious and your agency is cooperative, we won't take your money, right? We'll tell you that. But when it comes to telework, the truth is this almost will never be the case. In these cases, you're likely in what I call a gray zone, where many agencies are likely to challenge you. This strategy package can make the difference, I believe, between your telework, being able to telework or being forced back into the office. Moreover, the agency should feel pressure if these are properly done, because if they are found to have wrongfully denied you an RA, they could be ordered to grant it, pay your back pay and any damages as provided in the law, and pay your attorney's fees. Now, let's talk about who this is really for, because this matters. Many of our clients are federal employees dealing with serious mental health conditions, PTSD, anxiety, depression, migraines, conditions I believe often justify telework accommodations under the law, right? Yet agencies fight these cases hard in many cases. As a mindfulness practitioner and a legal professional, I know how these conditions are treated in the workplace and how agencies try to undermine them, but also have much experience, working with communicating the need for accommodations based on legitimate mental health conditions. If you think that this might be worth it in your case, check out the link in our bio and look for the Reasonable Accommodations Strategy Package. You can also sign up to learn more about our video series, which we hope to have out soon, or follow us on TikTok and social media. If you are seeing this, note right after this, I'm going to do a TikTok on telework and give tips on that interactive process, so be sure to check that out. Again, I thank you for considering this, and I wish everybody the best. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.